Hello, my name is Ankit Saraswat. We are discussing the advanced ATP features in SAP S/4HANA. In the previous video, we talked about product allocation. This video focuses on the key features and functionalities of backorder processing in SAP S/4HANA. What is backorder processing? Backorder processing is a key component within SAP S/4HANA's ATP suite that allows you to adapt, reschedule, and manage customer orders when facing supply chain disruptions or shifts in demands. There are key features of backorder processing like product allocation integration, stock transfer order support, sophisticated rules engine, backorder processing variants, and dedicated Fiori apps. We will cover all these features in our system demo. SAP has given predefined strategies to control and monitor backorder processing in SAP S/4HANA. These strategies are win, gain, improve, redistribute, fill, and lose. So these strategies define or controls that how should system behave in situations where there are multiple orders created with multiple criteria and the stock is consumed by few orders and the other orders do not have any stock confirmed to them because the stock was limited and it's already consumed and confirmed by other orders. So using these strategies, we can create a rule engine in SAP S/4HANA backorder processing apps so that system can decide accordingly that how should it take away the stock from other confirmed order and allocate the stock to the orders which meet specific criteria. So for example, we have this business case where we have two sales orders created with 100 quantity in each. I have given a customer reference number demo in both the orders so that it makes more specific. The supplying plant is 1010. Now the two orders are created. The total quantity was 100. The first order was created first with delivery priority normal, but it is confirmed by the system. The second order got created afterwards, which has got delivery priority high, but it is not confirmed because the stock is already reserved by this order, the first order. So by using BOP, we can define strategies in the system so that system will figure out or identify the orders that meet specific criteria and see that because this is not a win criteria, it is a redistribute criteria or a lose criteria, then the stock allocated to these orders can be taken away. System is going to unconfirm those orders automatically, and based on our criteria that we have defined in the Fiori apps, system is going to confirm the other order which has got the delivery priority high. Let's see this in SAP Fiori apps. SAP has given these standard Fiori apps to control and monitor backorder processing. Configure BOP segment, configure BOP variant, monitor BOP run, schedule BOP run. So if we go here, configure BOP segment, I have defined two segments, redistribute and win. Then I need to create the BOP variant and assign my segment here. So for segment win, I have taken the standard strategy win. I have assigned win to win and redistribute to redistribute. These names we can write, we can keep any name, whatever we want. It's a free field. However, with whatever segment we have created, we need to assign with the standard strategies only. So I have kept just to for the ease of understanding, I have kept the same name, but this name can be anything. Here I need to have the selection criteria that my customer order reference number is demo, the delivery priority is 1, and this is the material entered, material code, just to make it more specific. Then system will give the highest priority to this order and will try to confirm this order by taking away the stock which is allocated or which is consumed and or reserved by other orders which do not fill, which might have other strategies assigned to them or might not have any strategies assigned to them. So let's see how does it work. So to do this, I come to sales, I create sales order, I have the business partner, and I write demo here. If I do not, because I have given a condition in the system as a criteria, that system will only find such orders which have got customer reference number as demo. If I do not write it, then this will not be qualified for our BOP run. Then I have defined a material also in my criteria to make it more specific. So I would also use the same material. If I use some other material, then system is not going to consider that for the BOP because I wanted it to be material specific. So here I can see that the delivery priority is high. So let me change it to normal. Let's see the stock position of this item. So we see that we have only 100 quantities available of this material. So what I'm doing, I'm creating one sales order with the delivery priority normal, and we can see that system has already confirmed this quantity because it is available, and we just save the sales order here. So our order number is 367, which is a order with the delivery priority normal. Let's create another order with the same customer and same material. So we can see that system has not confirmed any quantities because the total available quantity was 100, unrestricted quantity was 100, and despite of the delivery priority high, it has got a high delivery priority. There is no confirmed quantity because the stock is already consumed by the other order with the delivery priority normal. So now we have got two orders, 367 with the high with the normal priority and 368 with the high priority. Then if I come to my backorder processing app, so let's simulate. So before actually making any changes in the system, I can simulate that how system will behave and what will happen to the allocated quantities and the confirmation status of the orders. So we can see that simulation was carried out, and here we can see, if I go in the detail, I can see that this order 367, which was created with the normal priority and has 100 quantity assigned to it, system will take away this quantity and will make it 0. This is just the simulation, so there is no change in the order yet. So order remains as it is because we are only in the simulation mode. And the order which has the high priority, because we were using the confirmation strategy win, system will keep the quantity from 0 to 100 because this 100 quantity has been taken away from the other order with the redistribute confirmation strategy. So this way we can see or we can simulate the backorder processing run and see that how will this backorder processing run impact the orders that are already created in the system. So now in order to carry out such changes, let's do quickly our BOP run. So we need to create a batch job. I have kept it start immediately. I can also schedule it and make it a recurring job. I already have my BOP variant, so I will just assign it here and I will schedule it. So the BOP run has been created, and if I go here, I can see that the processing is completed, and I can see that system has, for the redistribute orders or the order which has the medium priority, now the confirmed quantity is 0. Earlier it was 100, and the confirmed quantity of another order which has the high priority is now 100. Earlier it was 0. Let's take a look at the order, that what happened to the sales order. This is my order which has got the, earlier it was, the confirmed quantity was 0 and the delivery priority was high. So we can say the delivery priority is high, and let's see what happened to the order after the BOP run. So we can see that the confirmed quantity is now 100. Earlier it was 0. Similarly, if we go to order number 368, so this has got the delivery priority as, sorry, 367. So this has got the delivery priority as medium or normal, and earlier it has 100% confirmation. But if I go now, I can see that the confirmed quantity is 0. So system has taken away the quantity from the confirmed order and allocated the quantity to the order which qualify or which meets our selection criteria in the back order processing segment or